Hi everybody, welcome back to Small Caliber Arms Review. I'm Richard, and today we're going to be taking a look at another movie holster. And this is from the 2001 TNT movie, Crossfire Trail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace this out in pencil. All right, I'm going to get the table all cleared off here and then get to cutting on this thing. Now I'm going to go ahead and risk it and get this cut out of leather. All right, we'll let that rest for a few minutes and then we'll get to doing our stitch grooves on there. It's time to get stamping on this thing. Lots of holes to punch. All right, now I should be able to squeeze that seam together and keep the holes lined up. So the next thing I want to do is get my stitching pony up here. Is got to get some dye on this thing. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my spots on here. All right, that looks pretty good. All 8 of them are in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to get this thing hopefully folded around here and tucked in there. And that is the way it is supposed to look. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the gun wrapped up in some paper towels and plastic so it's a little oversized and shove it down in there. So I'm going to let this thing dry and then we'll get to doing those last little details on it and it should be done then. Okay, so I've got the blood knot on there. I might as well go ahead and slick up these edges some. All right, here comes the fun. And that should be it. Might be a little hard to see there, but now there's a blood knot on the hammer thong. And that is it. The only thing I got left to do to it now is I'm going to put some probably leather balm with atom wax on it. I like that finish, and I'm going to get it worked in there the best I can. Thanks for taking a look at making the holster from Crossfire Trail. If you could, reach up here and hit this button to check out some of my other videos, and then hit this button over here to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.